Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept a linked list of n integers as the input, and then the linked list is passed to a function where we need to delete the third node and return the linked list. And the other functions and lines are predefined, and we need to only implement the function delete third node. So which accepts the head of the linked list and return the head again. So first we are going to accept the linked list of n integers, and then the linked list is passed to the function where we need to delete the third node and return the linked list. And other functions and lines are predefined. We need to only implement the function delete third node, which accepts the head of the linked list and return the head again after the deletion of the third node. So now we have a test case, like we have 5 integers, and the integers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this linked list, so each integer will be linked with the next integer. That's why it's a linked list. So it will be like 1 will be linked with 2, and 2 linked to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. So each will have a reference of the integers. So in this linked list, the head will be 1. So 1 is the head. It will be denoted as the val. Head val is equal to 1, and head next will denote the second node, and head next will denote the third node, and head next will denote the fourth node. So this head next will denote second, this is third, and this is fourth. So now our aim is to link the second node with the fourth node in order to delete this third node. So second node will be linked with fourth node, and this 3 will be eliminated. So when 2 and 4 are linked like this, 1, 2, 4 and 5, 3 will be eliminated. So this is the linked list after deletion. So now we'll understand the logic of this program. So these are the predefined lines which will get the input and print the output to the users, and this is the function delete third node. So we just have to define this function. So in this function we are going to just have the reference of the second node with the fourth node. So for that, first we'll have head next next. So this head next will represent this one, that is this head next will represent this connection. So this connection will be passed to this connection, so that third node will be eliminated. So for that, head next is equal to head next and a next. So it means the reference of the second node will be directed to the fourth node. So 3 will be automatically eliminated. So after second node, we'll get the fourth node. And we'll return the head. So this will give us the correct output. So instead of doing this, we can also have a pointer variable and store the third node in it as a variable. Third node can be stored after deletion. But as of now, we do this method as we get our correct output.